What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, we're gonna just kind of jump right into some news that I basically just heard about. The information I'm getting is coming from The Verge. I'll post a link to the article below. But basically, as you can tell from the title, we're talking about the Nissan subscription service. And this isn't like one of the car subscription services where you get like premium features for your dash or anything like that. This one is actually being dubbed by The Verge as like a Netflix for a car ownership or something of that sort. So basically what I'm getting from the article here is basically you have two tiers for subscription. You have the basic tier, which is $6.99 a month, and that'll include cars such as the Altima, the Rogue, Pathfinder, and Frontier. I didn't see anything mentioned about the Versa or Sentra. I'm not sure if they just saying they don't think people will be interested in it or not, but I didn't see it listed on the site. And then they have a second premium tier, which is $8.99 a month, and that includes the Leaf Plus, Maxima, Murano, Armada, Titan, and 370Z. But I know a lot of people probably interested, okay, is the GTR included? The GTR would be included in the premium package, but there's stipulations with that. Not only would you pay that monthly fee, but you will also have $100 a day tacked on to that for each day that you have the GTR out. Plus there's only a maximum of 7 days you can have that car. But as far as the actual subscription service itself, they're saying that it'll include basically, of course, they'll clean it. They'll do any of the maintenance that comes along with it, oil changes and all that. Also, they do deliver to you, so you don't have to worry about going back to the dealership each time to swap out the vehicles. You can do it pretty much every day if you would like, at least so far what they said. It does have roadside assistance and insurance all included. Now, all of that does sound like a pretty attractive package. I know it's still pretty early, and as of right now, I believe they're saying that they're talking about rolling this out in a Houston Texas car dealership. So all the details will be in the description below. But I think it sounds like a pretty good package, a good deal. I'm not sure how enticing it would be to a real car enthusiast who like modifying cars and having a car to call their own, but it's definitely something that does sound like it's a pretty good option. It's something I would definitely consider, especially for my wife's car, because she's not really set on a specific car yet, and I think that would be a good way to kind of gauge and see what she would like, and she get to try out different things. Maybe she's feeling she wants to be in Altima this week, or she wants the Rogue the next week, or even if you go in the higher packages. So I mean, it's definitely, I think, a good option. I think it has a lot of potential, not just for Nissan, but for other car manufacturers to adopt as well. Definitely interesting to see how this goes. And I know there's a lot of people who don't want to own a car because they don't want to feel like they have that huge debt over them. When they try to buy a house, they have to worry about that as well. So this shouldn't show up as basically that huge debt. So it's definitely good to see how it could change the market and just ownership in general. So yeah, but definitely let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I think it's a good idea, but I don't think it's for me personally, but I think that it's something that will work for my wife. I think that'll work for our household, definitely, but it couldn't be, of course, the only option that we have. I feel like I still will have to have it because, of course, you got to modify some cars and stuff like that. So but yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Alright, and now that we're kind of finished with that main content, for my subscribers and people who rock with me, I did want to say that we're going to be throwing a car meet. Most likely it's going to be at Speed Zone Performance. We're still trying to get the details for that. It'll be at their newer location most likely, and this is going to be taking place next week, Friday, which will be February 28th. So we're aiming for that. We're going to shoot for a Nissan Times Infinity meet. So we're trying to get people with Nissans and Infinitis out there. You can have any car and be there, but we're definitely trying to get as many Nissan and Infiniti in the Central Florida area. So it'll be Orlando, Florida. Time as of now, I believe we'll be probably starting around 6 p.m. Eastern, and not sure exactly when it'll go to, but definitely want to give people time to get there from work and whatnot. But yeah, I'll definitely go ahead and throw a link to our groups below. You can check them out. We got the Nissan Times Infiniti group where we'll be posting information, and probably posted in the Nissan Florida or Nissan Ultimates of Florida group. But yeah, all those links will be in the description below as well. Yeah, so yeah, definitely let me know if you guys are interested in that. I've posted on social media already, but if you're not following me, links for that is down below as well. So yeah, I don't want to drag this video out much longer, so we're going to go ahead and end it here. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.